By knowing Him alone, this individual soul can sail across this vicious cycle of life and death or Maya. Therefore, arise, awake, and take the shelter of a genuine spiritual master and know him immediately. God is the abode of innumerable contradictory attributes. Number one, He is smaller than the smallest and is bigger than the biggest. Anoraniyan mahato mahiyan natma guayam nitasya jantoho tamakratum pashyati bita shokaha dhatu prasadan Mahimanamisham. God is smaller than the smallest. How small? The Vedas maintain stoic silence about the dimension of God. The Vedas tell He is smaller than the smallest. Like electron, proton, neutron, the tiniest particle science has discovered to date. Now see the intelligence of Vedas. The Vedas tell He is smaller than the smallest. Anoranimne pariganya dhamne Mahanubhavaya namo namaste. The smallest particle in the entire universe, God is smaller than the tiniest object. So now we have realized God is smaller than the smallest. Again, the Vedas tell, no, He is bigger than the biggest. Mahato Mahiyan. How big? Girir Mahan Girir Abdir Mahan Abdir Nabho Mahat Navasopi Param Brahma Tato Pyasa Duratyaya. Bhagavat. We see gigantic Himalayas, its stupendous heights, bigger than the Himalayas, the ocean. The stupendous height will get submerged in the Mariana Trench, the deepest part in the Pacific Ocean. And vaster than the ocean itself is the sky. And bigger than sky is God. So now he came to conclusion, God is smaller than the smallest and bigger than the biggest. Not only that, Netis Netyastulamananoho. This is not enough. God is neither small, neither big. He is neither small nor big. There are three contradictory attributes, and all these attributes are correct. If God will not be smaller than the smallest, tat srishtva tadevanu pravishat. God has created this entire universe and He has impregnated Himself in the most tiniest object. So God has to become all pervasive. For that reason, He has to become the smaller than the smallest. Otherwise, how will govern the tiniest object? So He has to be smaller than the smallest. And He has to become bigger than the biggest as well. During the cataclysm, when the entire universe merges inside Him, He will not be bigger than the biggest. How? He'll engulf the entire universe inside Him. For this reason, He has to be bigger than the biggest. And when He takes incarnation, He is neither small nor big. He assumes the human form. So all these three things are correct. The next contradictory attribute. Tadeyati tannayati taddure tadvantike tadantarasya saravasya tadu sarvasyasya bhayyataha. Ved. He does not move. Again the Vedas tell, he is running. And he is running so fast, nobody can catch hold of him. He does not move, he runs so fast. Tadeyati tannayati taddure. He is farther than the farthest. Taddure. He is so far. All the great rishis, they are striving hard to catch him, but they cannot touch him. Again the Vedas tell, Tadvantike Ya Atmani Tishtati. He dwells right inside you. Jal bich min rahe pyasare. Dhobia jal binu rahe pyasa. Jal bich thad piyat nahi murakh karat dhobiyan ki asa. Dhobia jal bich rahe pyasare. The washerman is standing right inside the Ganges. And he is thirsty. He is yelling, calling his wife. The fresh water of the Ganges is flowing. But still then, he is thirsty. That exactly is our position. We are all craving for happiness. And the embodiment of that supreme happiness is dwelling right inside us. But not an iota of that happiness has so far been attained. So God is farther than the farthest, He is nearer than the nearest. He does not move, He is running. Nobody can chase Him. Third contradictory attribute. He does not take birth. Azayamano bahudha vijayate. He has taken innumerable incarnations. प्रजापति शरति गर्भे अंतर्जायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य योनिं परिपश्यन्ति धीराः. पुरुष सूक्त. He does not take worth, he has taken innumerable births, but only the privileged fellow, those who have realized him, they can see him. Ajopi sannabhyayamatma bhutanameshwaropi san prakritim swamadhisthaya sambhavamyatmamayaya. Gita. Arjun, I do not take an incarnation. I am Aja, one who does not take worth. But I have taken incarnations by the sheer magic of my Yogmaya Shakti. Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavacharjuna tanyaham veda sarvani natvam vetta parantapaha. Gita. I have taken so many incarnations. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharat abhyuttanamadharmasya tadatmanam suzamyam paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Gita. God does not take incarnations. He has taken innumerable incarnations. जब जब होय अनिष्टा पारा तब तब रूप धरे कर तारा. रामायण. The fourth contradictory attribute. Does God possess any form? Nirupam nirgunam vyapi kriyahinam parat param badantya upanishad sangha idameba mamanagam. Padma Puran. He has no form, nirupam. He has no attribute, nirgunam. He has no action, kriyahinam. Krishna me namame hitva matmanam akhilatmanam jagaditaya sopyatra dehiva vati mayaya. Bhagavat. The same author Vedavyas is taking a somersault. In Padma Puran he tells God doesn't take any form, he doesn't assume any form. And in Bhagavad tells, I assume beautiful form. For anyone, the most authentic proof will come from the mother. Shri Krishna's authentication is being attested by Mother Devaki. Rupam yattat prahurabhyaktamadhyam brahma jyotir nirgunam nirvikaram sattvam sakshat vishnuradhyatma deepaha. Oh my dear Lord, you are so compassionate, you are so merciful, you are so gracious. Of course, the Vedas tell you have no form. But for showering grace upon me, you have taken this beautiful form. Rupam yattat prahurabhyaktamadhyam ब्रह्म ज्योतिर निर्गुणम निर्विकारम सत्तामात्रम निर्विशेषम निरीहम सत्वम साक्षात विष्णुरध्यात्म दीपः. Bhagavat. Now when he takes incarnations, he must be having the senses. The Vedas tell, Sarvendriya gunavasam sarvendriya vivarjitam sarvasya prabhumeshanam sarvasya sharanam sret. Shvetashvatar Upanishad. Sarvendriya gunavasam sarvendriya vivarjitam asaktam sarva vrichaiva nirgunam gunabhoktracha. Gita is devoid of the sense organs. Again the Vedas tell, are you going to count down? Sahasra sirakha purukha sahasraksha sahasrapat sabhomigvam sarvatra spritva tyatishtat dashangulamma. He has thousands of heads, thousands of eyes, thousands of hands. Thousand means infinite in number. Brahmanosya mukhamasit bahurayanyah kritah urotadasya yadavaishya padbhyagvam shudra ajayata. Purusha Sukta. From his mouth emerged Brahmana. From his arms emanated Kshatriya, the warrior clan. From his thighs, Vaishya came into existence, the mercantile clan, and from his feet emanated Shudra, the service class. So all the senses are being described. Now the Vedas, they are making compromise. Nityo nityanam shetana shetananam meko bahunam jabidadati kaman tat karanam sankhya yogadigamyam jnatva devam muchyate sarva pashai. By knowing him alone, you will be free from the shackles of Maya. Tam durdasam gudham anupravishtam guhahitam gavarishtam puranam adhyatma yogadi gamena devam jnatva devam muchyate sarva pashaihi. You will be free from all the bondages by knowing him. So what is the compromise? Sapariyagachukram akayam abranam asnabiram shuddham apapa beddam kabir manishi paribhu swayambhu ved. He has no senses, but he has senses which are transcendental in nature, not the mundane senses which we are possessing. His senses are devoid of the material senses which we possess. His senses are transcendental in nature. अपाणिपादो यवनो गृहीता पश्यत्य चक्षुः सशृणोत्यकरणः सबेति वेद्यं न च तस्यास्ति वेत्ता तमाहोरग्रयं पुरुखं महान्तम्. The exact translation of this Vedic mantra has been done by Goswami Tulsidas Ji, famous for his celebrated work Ramcharitmanas, which is read in each and every household in the North Indian belt. Binu pada chalai सुनाई बिनु काना कर बिनु करम करई विधि नाना आनन रहित सकल रस भोगी बिनु वाणी भक्ता बड़ जोगी तन बिनु परस नयन बिनु देखा ग्रही घ्राण बिनु बास असिसा असिसा भांति अलौकिक करणी महिमा जासु याही नहीं बरणी. He has no feet, but is running. He has no eyes, but is seeing. He has no ears, but is listening to everyone's cry. He has no senses, but he is doing the actions of all the senses put together. Sounds very baffling. Now, another contradictory attribute. Where does he stay?